Right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make the spine, okay? Now this is your spine die. Really, really easy. All you're going to do is place it on your card and run it through your machine. But what you're actually going to get is you're going to get a piece of card that's got all your score lines in, but it's also got little indentations. Now those indentations will match up with your pages in your memory book 1 and 2. But I'm going to show you how to make a full spine. So when you've cut this out, that there will make a spine that will give you 3 possibilities for your pages. But I want 6 pages in my book, so I'm going to need to cut that twice. So we've cut it out and this is what we've got. So where you've got those little notches, you're going to fold, so you've got a mounting fold in there. So take those little notches and fold down each side of those notches. So there we've now got mounting folds going all the way around there. Turn it over and we're going to apply a high tack tape. Now you can use wet adhesive if you want, but in my opinion high tack is just as good, okay, because this is going to give you your little valleys and mountains for your pages. So all the way through there, cut that off, and then you're going to come in like so, fold that up and then fold it back on itself. So that then is going to fold back, fold it on that one, fold it back. Can you see how we're folding over all those mounting folds, and then we literally open it all back up, increasing the other creases. So now we've got a mounting fold there, we've got a mounting there, mounting and a mounting there. So if we want 6 pages, we would do 2 of those, and we would place the adhesive down that side there, chop that off, take that out of there, and then we would place that one directly over the top of there, and that's going to give me 6 pages. Now all I do is then take that, stick it onto another piece of cardstock, so we've got excess card at either side, and trim it off the bottom, and that then is your spine all done and dusted. So let's get to that book. For more tutorials and inspiration and those mojo kicks, go on and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find loads more.